So there's a saying that you see here everywhere. It says, do work. And that's what we're here to do as part of the Sport of Speaking Live for the first time in Detroit at the Pistons Performance Center. Because after nearly a decade of working with executives, with athletes, and with leaders telling their stories, what I wanted to do was bring the Sport of Speaking Live to this center with a small group, intentionally curated, to help leaders craft their message with the same type of discipline, rigor, and intention that an athlete might train their mind and their body.
Look like and prevent S's. Just a new class.
Here it is. All right, cool.
Dylan Rowe, former professional baseball here. Speaking is a skill, right? And Charlie is a master of the craft.
And again, I know we're in a smaller audience, so it might feel different.
Blessed to be able to be a part of it. The frameworks that we learned are super applicable to daily life and then life in business.
Yep, I want you right there. So right now, like, there you go. Now again, make it you.
Yep.
Pun intended, baseball. If you were to bring the message home, to home plate, you brought the message home, what is the word or that statement that you need to say?
They're already spending money with me, right?
Yep.
So these are
Good to know, good bullet, yep. Remind them of that evoke here.
Hi, my name is Nicole Huyen. I am with 314 Presents. It was fabulous learning today. I thought it was very practical for daily use of what we're using, as well as strong training for executive presence.
It's having, hey, look, I'm gonna be stern, I'm gonna be direct, I'm gonna be pointed with my language, close, eyes. I would envision me actually executing and doing the thing. So like, again, we are our harshest critics, right? I'm terrified. You come up here like, all right, so here is it. I'm like,
That's what I said to you. Like, I could.
Pulling yourself to the table and how you stand, how you carry yourself, and how your message is perceived across the board in a very intensive, quick window that was a maximum use of our time for the day.
thinking about you, Dylan, right? Like, so team, go click the start button, submit it. And if you have any questions on the process or have any points of clarification, call me, I'm gonna come, like, go do this and report back. So the room was curated with intention to be small so that we can get live feedback, so we can have conversation, so we can actually study the nuance and the details of how we're showing up, sitting, standing, and the different types of tone, different things that we're doing with our body, our footwork. And that's what we did today. I might actually dial back now. I'm like, look, and come back, because I know that this message is not gonna land. So when it comes to, again, smiling, or even like something as simple as a head tilt, right? That may shift how the message is received, but we don't know unless we see it on camera. But also the fact that you chose to be here to work on a skill that sometimes people will never literally do. And just thank you for your presence and spending some time with me today, and talk it, walk it every day.
If you're thinking about joining the sport of speaking, come be a pro, come learn how to speak and talk your talk.
And if there was one takeaway that we walked away with after 4 hours and getting uncomfortable with strangers, is that we did the work. So as I walk out today, and as we think about what the statement is all across this building about doing work, we just did. And that's what the Sport of Speaking Live is about.